Well, I got the documents. In this piece, you see, regarding place of business, we need a proof that what is the place of business. Some address proof is required. What can be the address proof? If electricity bill is there, where name of the proprietor is written, that is an address proof. Otherwise, rent agreement is there, that can be shown as an address proof. So like this, address proofs are required, so that document needs to be uploaded. So for here example, for showing you something, for this, I am taking some example. Let us say some address I am giving, building number or flat number, something I am writing here. Let us say floor number, let us say second floor I am writing. Name of the premises, I am writing something. Prabhat Villa, I am writing. Road or street, I can write here. Lane 1. Now you see city, town, I can write Bhubaneswar. State, I can select. State is not coming automatically. As the state is already selected. District, I have to select. Are you seeing the screen? Screen is visible. Latitude, longitude is not mandatory. Screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can give latitude and longitude position also, but that is optional, not necessary. Office mail ID, mail address, you can give it. I'll give you your address. Okay, telephone number, mobile number. Yeah, it is coming. Okay. Now, here you see nature, nature of position of the premises. Here you have to choose. Let us say if it is owned, leased, rented, anything you can do. What document you are having? Rent agreement. So let us assume it's if it is owned, then you can give electricity bill or patta also you can attach. Right. So if it is, we'll take it as a rented. If it is rented, then you have to prove a principal place of business. So is what we will do, we'll attach a file. Let us say proof of principal business. You see, these are the options you can attach. Electricity bill, legal ownership document, municipal khata, property tax, rent or lease agreement. We'll add here rent or lease agreement we are attaching. Now I have to choose a file. Are you understanding? Up to this, is it clear? It is a rented premises we are claiming. So proof of address, what we will do, rent agreement or lease agreement is to be attached. Is it clear to you after this? Yes or no?
Sir, but sir, from where we will get these documents? Like,
Where you will get, you might be having a electricity bill. If it is not there, you create a dummy rent agreement. We are not, it is only for learning purpose we are doing it. Create a dummy rent agreement. Okay. You can Google it, find
okay,
out
sir.
rent agreement, how it is to be drafted. Draft a rent agreement in Word file, sign it, scan it, and convert it into PDF file, then upload it. So only PDF and JPG file will be uploaded. Okay, you can do it. For learning proper
Yes,
purpose you are doing,
sir.
but in real life case, you have to attach the actual rent agreement. Okay, right. Well, I'll do one thing. I will show you how rent agreement looks like. Here it is there, no? The rent agreement is there. Okay, I'll show you what I will do. I'll stop sharing this thing. I will show you a rent agreement now. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, rent agreement. I got it. You see, rent agreement looks like that. Looks like this. You see, it's a notarized rent agreement on 10 rupees stamp paper. It only shows deed for rental agreement between so and so person. He is the owner. It shows this is the address. This is the proof of address. You department will be also asking to attach electricity bill to show that actually this particular place owner, that means actually the owner has entered into the rent agreement. To see that thing, in addition to this rent agreement, electricity bill will also be required. Okay, and one more thing, this should also show that this building is for commercial purpose. Is it written here? Can you show me where it is written in the agreement? For commercial purpose. Yeah, here you see this is a line. The second party shall use the tenanted house for business purpose. Okay, if it is written for residential purpose, if it is not written, then GST authorities may reject these documents. Registration may be cancelled for this. Because you are planning to do a business, you are obtaining a registration for a business, but the house you have taken for rent is not for business purpose. So this aspect also one has to be careful, right? For your own learning, you can add any other rent agreement, but in real life, when you upload, you have to ensure one more thing. That means the right address should be written correctly, and you can submit one more proof that actually this land or this building belong to this owner. That proof should be there. So electricity bill will serve that purpose. And also rent agreement should clearly show that it is for business purpose. Can you read it here? Business purpose, it is written. Can you see it? Are you seeing rent agreement on the screen? Yes or no? Rent agreement is visible to you or not? Can any one of you respond? Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is.
Are you able to read that this is for business purpose?
Yes, sir, the fifth
Yeah.
point.
Okay, please, you may unmute your speakers and participate in the discussion. Okay, I'll stop sharing this file. I will again go back and show you our GST portal file. Yeah, what I will do now, I am going to upload that file here. Just choose file. I am going to upload.
So the file we will be uploading over here. So the principle of business where the file we will be uploading, that you said it should have.
Just a minute. Why it is not responding? Just a minute. Yeah. Yeah. What is your question? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. I was asking that over here, the PDF we have to upload.
Yeah.
So is it mandatory to upload? Like it, we won't be verifying it, so we can upload any PDF we
Yeah,
want.
any PDF you can upload for demo purpose. For understanding the process, you can upload any PDF.
Yes.
I am uploading an actual rent agreement. Just give me a minute. This is the rent agreement. No? Yeah, you see rent agreement is getting uploaded. Could you see it? It is uploaded now. Okay, did you see it? Yes or no? Please keep on responding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, document uploaded. Okay, so rent agreement, it is shown here. This is. So in addition to that, you can upload electricity bill also. Electricity bill, because in rent agreement it shows this person is the owner, but how to prove that he is the owner? Electricity bill can be uploaded. So I am attaching one more file here. Choose file. Again, I'll go to that place. You see electric bill is here in this folder. I am uploading this thing. File size is you have
You
not,
need to compress the file. Sir.
yeah, you have not compressed it. Okay, what I'll do now, do you have any compressed file? Electricity bill? Huh? Take the pen drive. Here is the pen drive. I am bringing that file, one more compressed file. You can resize it online also. You can resize the file. Okay. Okay. Till now, do you have any query? Please let me know. In the meantime, I'm arranging resizing of this file.
So can
Do-
you tell about how do we do the presentation in the meantime?
Okay. 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 I'll be explaining you that thing. Just a minute.